There's a lot of people are talking about vagus nerve because they know if the vagus nerve isn't firing or isn't conducting properly, then your nervous system can't go into that relaxation response as you want it to.
And on that, when it comes to this concept of the body keeping score, right, which is a subject of a best-selling book just a few years back on how all trauma is stored in the body and it often leads to a negative outcome. Are you seeing any therapies or any solutions that can help release this trauma?
Well, we have a procedure called the vagus nerve injection. So your vagus nerve comes from your brainstem. It splits into
Mm.
two, right, and comes together here, and goes to your heart, gut, spleen, and it's a gateway to your relaxation system called the parasympathetic nervous system. So the vagus nerve can become dysfunctional, and there's vagus nerve stimulators, there's vagus nerve implants. It's becoming a hot topic actually because a lot of people are talking about vagus nerve because they know if the vagus nerve isn't firing or isn't conducting properly, then your nervous system can't go into that relaxation response as you want it to. And then on the other side of that, you have your sympathetic nervous system, which is a fight or flight. And there's something called the stellate ganglion, which is also around your neck. That's a gateway into that. And this is called a stellate ganglion block, which has been around in medicine for 2 decades. So where you put some anesthetic and it can calm down the nervous system. So we inject that, but then we also put a little regenerative medicine twist on it, which is we're injecting the vagus nerve with exosomes or stem cells or mu cells and peptides and making that vagus nerve work better. And we're actually changing the signaling permanently. So they've fixed that balance and restored their nervous system on a physiological level. And I've had patients who've literally gone from being suicidal because their PTSD was so bad after the injection, literally they cry and they feel relief. It takes 2 minutes. It's
So,
quick.
and
And if you have a history of severe trauma and you're in that fight or flight, people see the results immediately. It's pretty unbelievable.